welcome to my channel. I'm Vanessa Creates, and today we are creating spice labels that have personality. I'm at my boyfriend's and he has lots of spices, and I just want to make his spice rack look cohesive. So we went online and all the labels are just super clean, white, and minimal. And he's just not about that. He wants something that's like fun and colorful, because that's what spice adds. So let's go make some fun labels. I started by creating a mood board of how I wanted the labels to look and feel. So these images were my favorite, and I would refer back to them while I was designing. Since I was designing this for my boyfriend and not myself, I treated this like a real design work project. So I came up with 3 concepts and I showed him the 3 and allowed him to pick which one he liked best. But I'm curious, which one do you like best? Let me know in the comments below. I made these in Adobe Illustrator, and I'll have the files available for you to download below. And I'll have them as editable PDFs, so the little graphics are fixed, but all the text is editable, so then you could put whatever words you want and have all the labels you want. Once the file was all done, I went to my local print shop and got all the labels printed out on one sheet of a sticker paper. And the plan is just to cut them up and put them on the jars. But don't they look so cute? I'm so happy with these little labels. I love them. I used scissors and a slicer to cut out the labels, but after the fact, I was like, oh, I should have just used a knife and a cutting mat. It would have been just as good and a lot quicker. Just like a regular sticker, I'm peeling the back off and carefully placing the label onto the mason jars and pressing down flat. Here's a before, because who doesn't love a before and after? This looks so cute. I'm so happy with how it turned out. The colors are so creamy. I absolutely love it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Bye!